y'all, so one of my most asked questions is how do you get rid of your brows for a cosplay? So we're going to do that today. This is what you'll need, and I'll go in more detail as we get to them in the video. So step 1, as always, wash your face and get rid of any dead skin that might be around your brows. Next, brush your hairs in the direction that they naturally grow in order to tame them. Now we're going to apply the glue. We do this so that the hairs stay in place. And shout out to the drag community because I definitely learned this technique from them. And I'm allergic to latex and like a lot of different adhesives, but I've never had issues with this glue at all. So you're going to want to apply the glue using a back and forth motion so that it gets on both sides of the hair on every single hair. Now you're going to use your spoolie and rotate it as you brush your hair going upwards. You want your hair to be as flat to your face as possible so it creates the illusion that there's no hair underneath whatever eyebrows you're creating. Make sure you're doing this really slowly. I remember the first time I did this, I did not get them flat, y'all, and my hair was just poking out. It was a mess. Repeat it for the other eyebrow.
I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love.
So this glue dries fairly quickly, but I just like using a fan because A, it makes me feel like Beyonce, and B, it does make the glue dry faster. So now you're gonna do another layer of the glue. I would try not to use the brush, but if you see some of the hairs are out of place, this is your last chance to really get those hairs in the place that you want them with the brush. Because after this, we're not using the brush anymore.
And make me wanna say, damn, and yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.
Okay, so we're gonna set the glue with some powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent honey because, you know, brown skin. The white just doesn't really do well on this step for some reason. And I know this looks white here, but it's actually like more of a yellow color and it looks better under this foundation. So I'm using the Black Radiance Bronze Glow, which this time of year is actually a little bit too light for me. So I'm gonna have to get a darker one, but it's okay because typically I'm covering it up with something else anyway. And then you're gonna pat it in very slowly. I sped it up here, but you're just gonna pat it in until it blends. Don't rub it. And you know, go ahead and subscribe while you're here. That's the next step.
I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of
Okay, so now I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, just the regular one. If I'm doing clown makeup or something, I'll use the white one, like from e.l.f. It really doesn't matter as long as you're using a translucent powder that's gonna set everything together. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
love me till the morning, love me in the